Okay, good day everyone. A very short video to demonstrate to you how to use this Deerma diffuser together with our Mizu. Alright, so once you've gotten your diffuser, alright, there'll be tapes that secure it here and here. For the purpose of this video, I've actually removed it. And then what you do is you remove this top piece here, which is actually the tank, the water tank. But when you remove it, be careful, hold on to this because this comes off very easily. Okay, now once you do that, okay, this is where the fluid goes. Okay, the inlet for the tank. Right, so you take your Mizu that you've bought. Okay, now if you guys have got a funnel, it will be easier. Put the funnel over it and pour Mizu straight into it, straight from the 5-liter bottle. Now this tank here, this black tank, can take 5 liters, right? But for the purpose of this video, right, I'm just going to show you using a little bit. Okay, cover it back with this and secure it properly. Make sure it's tight. Now, what you're going to do now is you're going to turn this tank over, and you got to align this piece here to the hole over here. Okay? Now, what you see here, this little knob here, right, triggers this release valve to let the water flow in. Okay, so here we go, nicely aligned. All right, then you can hear bloop 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 bloop. The water is filling up. Right, then cover it back, and then what you do is, because this machine comes from China, it's a 2-pin plug. Okay, now if you have adapter for it, which is this $2 adapter from any one of these accessory shops, you can get it. Otherwise, you can actually change this into a 3-pin plug, plug it in, turn it on. Okay, so we've plugged it in. Now once you plug in, you will hear a beeping sound, right? And then for you to turn it on, this is the button. Okay, hold on to it. There are 3 levels. This is level 1 that you see here, and if you want it to go, now level 1, this is the smoke that you see. Okay, now as you go higher, there are 3 levels. This is the amount of smoke that diffusing that you will see. Okay, now what you will also have on this side is a timer. Right? For those of you who can read Chinese, great. For those of you who can't, it says timer. So press on that. And it gives you the number of hours. Okay? There we go. Now to turn it off, you just have to hold on to this power button for 3 seconds. Okay, now a quick one, just to tell you that if you find that when you lift this up, you will find water inside here. Don't panic, it's not leaking, it's not broken. This is actually where the water gets electrolyzed and turned into mist. Okay, so there you go. Enjoy your diffuser and stay safe.